What up guys, I'm Kevin, aka Fitman Cook, and today in the Fueling Gainz kitchen, we're making one of my personal favorites, a spicy Gainz poke bowl. We're gonna save some money by making it at home while also working on those hard-earned gains. Now let's get to it. Start by cutting up salmon into 1/4 to 1/2 inch pieces. For the sauce, add light mayo, some liquid aminos, sriracha to taste, some ginger, and fresh lime juice. Mix it up. Add salmon to a bowl, followed by thawed edamame, green onion, and diced avocado. Pour in the sauce, then gently fold everything together. Remember, we're mixing food, not doing deadlifts. Now let's bring it all together. Enjoy the poke with your choice of rice and purple cabbage, then garnish with green onions and jalapenos to taste. Top it off with sesame seeds and cilantro if desired. Here's the macro breakdown. This has been Fueling Gainz with Bodybuilding.com. Remember guys to come back next week because we are always keeping it healthy, but never ever boring. Boom! Y'all can get one bite each, just one. Here's your one ration.
Nah, homie,
this is your one ration.
I got the ball, dude.
Thank y'all for watching. Be sure that you smash that like button below and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all these tasty gains.